my name is Pam Hurley, and I'm the owner and founder of Hurley Wright Incorporated, a certified women-owned small business. If your team writes user manuals, SOPs, any kind of technical documents, whether they're internal or customer facing, have you questioned the reports themselves in terms of, do they get the point across? Do they get the point across quickly? Do they meet the needs of the intended reader? Do readers do what the report needs them to do? Do they take that required action? If you answered no to these, your team may need some help with their technical writing, and that's where we come in. In our customized exceptional technical writing workshop, your team will learn strategies to write better technical documents in less time, be more efficient in terms of their language, and most important, drive readers to that desired outcome or conclusion. Happy to chat with you. Pam at hurleywright.com, or you can reach me at 877-249-7483. I look forward to chatting with you.